Located in the quiet sub-neighborhood in the South End known as Franklin Blackstone, we have the unit that you've been waiting for. This penthouse duplex has unmatched charm and space, and it's just what you're looking to see. Come check it out.
Welcome to this incredible home located at 446 Shawmut Ave. This 3-bed, 2-bath corner duplex has tons of windows allowing for natural light to pour in.
On the top level of this home, you will find an open concept kitchen and living area that was thoughtfully renovated since the owners bought it.
Jamie, there's so much to love about this home, especially the vaulted ceilings.
And these exposed beams that are hard to find in the South End.
But my favorite part is the fact that there's a separate dining area to be able to host all your friends.
However, if you like to entertain, we haven't even gotten to the best part of this home. Let's go check it out. This extra large deck has enough space for entertaining and a dining area.
You can truly do anything with this space.
Don't miss your chance to see this home for yourself, so reach out for a private tour. I'm Jamie Gaines.
And I'm Emma Kolopek with Columbus & Over Group.
Woo.